Hey everybody, if you need to change the light bulb on your Broan bathroom fan, grab a little thin screwdriver. If you want to be safer, put a tissue paper here so you don't scratch the the plastic. On the two sides here, just insert there gently, and on the other side, gently, and it should start coming up. There you go. And you can see the light bulb turn clockwise, and then counterclockwise, and it comes up. I'll show you a much closer version in the next scene. So the way you remove the light bulb is you turn counterclockwise and pull. See, there's a hole right there. Big hole here, big hole here. We can slide it, turn it. So you do the same thing with the other one. So this one, when you put the new light bulb, you just put it in, put it in there, and turn it clockwise when you're installing it. Same thing with the other one. See, big hole, big hole. So when you're installing it, you put the leg here and put it in the big hole. Therein, then turn it clockwise to install. Alright? So, and when you're doing this, you're doing up in the ceiling. This is the way I demo it. The way it's much better, easier to see. Alright, so let me put the cover back on. So you just align and push. That's it. Alright? Let me block it so my camera don't do that. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope this helped, guys. I see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.